NGS Preschool brings a uniquely designed curriculum with 5 innovative programs. The Star Leader program fosters confidence, creativity, communication skills, and commitment. The Star Learner program strives to bring out the inner scientist of our preschoolers while also developing their culinary skills and preparing our students for practical life through activity-based learning. Our music program enhances their rhythm and motor skills. Our reading program develops a lifelong love of reading. Monthly themes instill awareness about the world around us. Our Star Explorer program nurtures lifelong researchers. Our sports program fosters mindfulness, fitness, and positivity. Technology integration allows concepts to be reinforced through digital learning. The Star Thinker program focuses on developing healthy habits of the mind. We adopt a holistic approach, catering to the latest trends and international standards. Our preschoolers are exposed to a variety of artistic media while being enriched with essential values and respect for our culture. The Star Voyager program ensures that our campuses provide an exciting educational environment. This is a world-class curriculum for a world-class preschool. At NGS Preschool, each child shines brighter every day. Contact us today.